Did you know the Victorian government has a program called the Victorian Energy Upgrades Program? Pretty much, it's about reducing Victoria's energy consumption, lowering carbon emissions, and ultimately lowering Victorians' energy bills. Can you hear that fly? I can hear that fly. It's buzzing around somewhere. One way we can do that is by changing from inefficient shower heads to efficient shower heads. There's 4 to choose from. They're free to install, and the shower head itself is free. They'll lower your water usage from 9 litres a minute to 7.5 litres a minute. They'll reduce your energy use, and they have 3 years warranty. If you make the change from an inefficient shower head to an efficient shower head, you can save around $260 per year per shower head. And they're nifty, look at them, they look sweet. This one's got like 5 different options. They've got like a massaging thing, so you can kind of like, you know, ooh, ah, they're nice. Some would consider them more stylish than the alternatives. So if you'd like to get your own efficient shower head, get in contact with Smart User and we can arrange one for you ASAP.